Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This week I am back with, I thought I would do a little closet kind of office tour for you guys because I really wasn't sure what to film over the past couple of days. I've been kind of thinking of it and I was like, I'm not sure. But yesterday I cleaned this up to the best that I could. Like, there's a lot of stuff going on in this room. So I really want to show you guys just how I maximize that space if you kind of have a room like I do. So I use this spare room that I have in our house. So it is my office, it is my closet, it is my craft room for my DIYs. It is everything all in one because I gave Adam the walk-in closet in our main bedroom, just because, like I said, I took over a whole room. So I was like, okay, you can have that closet and I'll figure out everything in this. And I do take up a little bit in the third bedroom too. That's just like a spare room, just as like kind of, you know, like you swap seasons. So I would have like the winter stuff. Well, actually the spring stuff would be in there now, but let's hope we're switching that soon because I don't like the cold right now. It is too cold. So let's hope we are switching that soon. But I wanted to just give you guys a quick little tour of this room and just how I utilize the space. And please let me know if you have any comments or maybe suggestions of what I can do in this room to make it a little more functional or use the space a little bit better. Definitely let me know in the comments below because I'm always open to those ideas. Like I said, I might not be doing something the greatest way and I probably need some help. So let me know in the comments below. But let's get started and I'll show you a quick little tour of this office, closet, miscellaneous, everything room that I have. So I'm going to start by just walking in and show you guys. So that's obviously the hallway and stuff. But this is, you walk in and I have my desk all sitting here and my ring light for any time that I might need it. I just have this little basket of things just because I don't like things like all over the place. But so I just throw like random camera gear in here. Like I have my DSLR, a mic, probably some extra batteries. I really don't know. Just anything I don't know where to put, it kind of gets thrown into there. And then I have my computer. So what I do with this is I have my laptop and then I hook it up with an HDMI cord. And then I put it onto the big screen. So it's just easier to like edit and things like that just with a keyboard and a mouse. And then you can even open this and like have like a dual screen if you really wanted to do that as well. And then this is just like pens, notepads, a folder with just some like documents and things. This is the little makeup corner. I have this makeup light that I've had for years. I really don't know what I do without it. Will it turn on? It is like the greatest thing ever to have. Except for you like really zoom in your face. Like, it's like, ugh. It's a little scary. But yeah, so that's just makeup. I usually keep like my day-to-day stuff just in here because if I'm going away for a weekend, I can just grab the bag and it's easier to go. I used to unpack it, but I've just got way too lazy and I don't do that anymore. But this is just some all extra things that I have. And then I'm sure everyone has these IKEA little drawers. They are the greatest thing ever. So it is just some more like day-to-day makeup in here. Some extra palettes, things that are definitely not organized, but it works. This is just a random drawer full of like my pencil crayons. I think there's like some US money in here. There are wheels, probably from this thing, you know. Some phone cases, just random things that you don't know what to do with, they go in here. And then this last one's just a bunch of documents like for taxes and all that fun stuff that no one ever wants to do. And then beside that, I just have this other little drawer that I put a bunch of other makeup in. I just like things categorized, so like different face products, cover-ups, eyes, lashes, lips, and just other like, I think others just like little like makeup pouches and different things like that just don't really have a category. So those all go in there. That is the main desk area. This is probably where I sit the very most. I like it because like the window's here so you can like film and stuff and then you have good lighting because if you go this way, it's way darker and it doesn't work as well. This works way better. But then to the side, this is just some more makeup type of items. So I try to categorize this as much as I can, but I definitely need to do a clear out for when family comes over next. But this is a bunch of hair products and eczema lines that I've got just for the winter that was here. They're really good. I just love it for like really dry skin. It's like the best products, anything like eczema line. And then we have, this is all like sunscreen products. I think this is more like sun stuff. These are a bunch of like Listerine tabs that I have. I think some more tanning products. And then it just goes down to, what are these guys? I think face washes, serums, moisturizers, face masks, body washes, and moisturizers. And I just found these little bins at IKEA and I absolutely love them. I don't think they have them anymore. I've been trying to find more of them, but I just like how clean they look and they fit like perfectly across the IKEA shelf, which is awesome. And then just on the last one, I have 2 bins. So that is just a bin of like travel stuff. So those like little things that you get, you can't use like day to day because it'll last like a few days, but good for travel. And then we have, this is all nail polish, which once again, I think I'm going to go through soon because I have way too many that I don't need. So definitely be donating, giving some of those away. And then this is just a bin of recent things I have that I want to film or I have to take photos of. So it kind of keeps everything organized. And then we have some boots. And then I decided, I created a thing like this like a while ago. Not too sure how fond I am of it, but it just works for the space and didn't cost very much to do. So I mean, that was good. So I just have another shelf here, which is all a bunch of shoes. And then I found like this little rack thing that usually goes like in a closet, like this thing. And I think it was like 10-20 bucks at Home Depot. And I just laid it right across so it worked. And then it created like a long shelf at the top, which works for all my bags. And then I could just put hangers up here. So these are like some clothes that I want to shoot, or like this one I want to DIY. So just things I want to keep open, or maybe like an old item that I haven't worn in a while that I definitely want to start wearing more. So that is that space. So if you have a small space, it's just a little good idea to, that little shelf thing, like might not look the greatest, but I mean for like 10-15 bucks, it definitely was a game changer. Oh, and then these guys, it's not really much. Like this just has like belts and stuff in it. Once again from IKEA, and this just has some like random sandals, flip-flops, and things like that in there. I'll keep going with around this area, then I'll show you guys the actual closet as well. But behind here, I just put a bunch of scarves, different things like that. I think there's a bag there. I never know how to like put scarves because like you have to see them and have them out, because if you don't, I find I never wear them. So it's something I have to like visibly see every day, and then I will grab one, even though I still grab like the same 2 every single time. But hey, if you have a better idea for this, you let me know in the comments. And then here, I gotta get some more hooks, but I just put some hooks on the side just for different hats and accessories. And then once again, another big IKEA shelf that everyone has. And this is just a craft one, so try to keep it organized. Got like some tape and glue, paints. This is like the scissors and all like the main crafting things, the sewing drawer, felt, wire, all that different stuff. Like it is the most, if you need like any craft material, yeah, let me know, because I will most likely have it in one of these drawers. And I'm always up for craft time, so you let me know. Last but not least is the closet. And like I said, it is nothing that special or that fancy, but it works for the small space that I have, because I don't have a lot of space in here and I can't put a big IKEA unit in here because I don't know where to put all the beauty products and things like that. There's just so much going on that I don't know how to do it all. So this is the closet. So what I did, and you might have seen this in past videos, but I tried to like revamp it. I feel like just change sometimes helps, but I basically had, so it came with like the one hook, and I think it was like, yeah, you can see on the wall where it's all damaged. That's where it originally was hanging. So we moved that up higher, and then I just added another pole in. Well, Adam did. I definitely did not do this. So then you just have 2 big racks, because I was thinking originally doing like one of those like shelves in the middle and then putting stuff in, but I feel like this just gave me a lot more space. It may not look the cleanest all the time, but try to keep it organized with different colors like white, black, pinks, reds, blues, And then the bottom's like jackets and sweaters and things like that. And then the top is just a bunch of sweaters, which will be switched over to like shorts and different things like that. Like I said, hopefully in the next month, because I can't do this winter anymore. And then I did this recently with my Marie Kondo video. So I found this at IKEA, which I really liked. It's just like this container. It has like a zipper here, which I just pinned shut just so like it never came unraveled or whatnot. But I just rolled all my jeans and pants and put them in here, and then I can slide it underneath and it works. And I'm actually thinking that I want to go buy another one of these and do this with my shorts and skirts for the summer, and then I can keep more of that space free and do something else with it. And then, like I said, it just slides right back under like that, and it's so much easier. Like, I thought it'd be a pain pulling in and out, but it's really not that bad. And then this is a step stool just because I am short and I can't reach that top without my step stool, so I use this to get up there. And that is about it. I just have like this with some like random jewelry that I probably never really wear that I need to go through. And the same with here, some more necklaces and stuff that's just like on a little hook with some shower hooks, but definitely need to go through these as well. I definitely don't need all that and donate some of that. We just have the famous IKEA mirror that everyone has because it is awesome. But that is the office. I hope you guys like that video and you like this little tour of, I guess, my office, closet, whatever you want to call it, room. But let me know, like I said at the beginning, if you have any suggestions or ideas of maybe how I can better, I guess, like sort out this room. But let me know, because I like organization and I try to do my best, but I'm no Marie Kondo. I don't got her skills. So let me know in the comments below. And if you guys have any room tours or office tours or closet ones, let me know. Put those links down below, because I definitely want to go check them out because they give me ideas of what I want to do as well. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next week. Bye.